Hello fellow developers, hope you are having a great day. This is Andrew talking and welcome to the next episode of iOS Coding Challenges. In today's episode, we'll be talking about coding challenge called Minimum Stack. First, briefly about the requirements. Design a stack that supports push, pop, top and retrieving minimum element in constant time. Method push pushes the element onto the stack. Method pop removes the element on the top of the stack. Method top gets the top element of the stack. Method getMin retrieves the minimum element in the stack. So now let's go to the code and start the implementation. First, we need a variable to store our stacks. And we need two stacks, one for regular data stack and the second one for our minimum stack. To store our stacks, we can use two separate arrays or we can combine them into one tuple. Next, let's start implementing our push method. So here our push method. For data stack we just append the value. For minimum stack, we need to append the minimum value, meaning the stack last item it should be always minimum. Therefore, we can use the minimum function and check if our value is less than the last item. If it's less, we're appending it to a stack. Otherwise, we just append one more time the latest minimum value. Using this approach, we always have a minimum value for a current state of the stack. Next, let's go to the pop method. For pop method is easy, we're just using a native array method pop last. And the same for data stack and for minimum stack. Now let's implement remaining two methods, top and getMin. Also, I'm gonna add a logger method in order to see what's happening with our stack for test purposes. Alright, so now we implemented our min stack, so now let's test it out. To visualize what's happening with our stack, I've added a logger method, and in console you can see what's happening with the stack in each step when we're using our methods. So this is it with minimum stack. If you find this video interesting and useful, give it a like, consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't done it yet, and thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you guys next episode. Happy coding and goodbye.